Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 5 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great but a busy week here at Simons Middle School last week, as you can tell from some of the pictures in the connection. Also, we have a busy week upcoming this week. We do have an admin team meeting on Monday at 8. Also on Monday, a site-based council meeting that will be in Ms. Comer's room beginning at 3:30. On Tuesday, we want to wish a happy birthday to Mr. Hunt. We don't have anything on the calendar yet for Wednesday. Thursday, teachers, we will have PLCs as well as MSU students will be on our campus. And on Friday, it is Bring It Friday. Students, your BPI plans are due on this day if you haven't submitted them already. And the 6th graders are going to be at our Cave Run Storytelling Festival. We do have a pretty large group to shout out in the Cougar Connection this week for our student spotlight. It is going to be Mrs. Thayer's Gifted Impact students. So as you can see from this picture, there are several students who attended a school board meeting this week, and they advocated for a slide to be placed at SMS. So from the picture, I can shout out to Blake Bradley, Noah Lewis, Maddie Singer, Kate Hay, Sadie Trambarger, Asia Flinders, J.C. Robinson, Abby Valaton, Violet Gibson, and Trevor Plank. Each of these students presented at our board meeting to talk to our board members a little bit about the possibility of building a slide at Simons Middle School, just something that these kids are really passionate about. So the board was agreeable for us to go ahead and start to look at a little bit more in depth into this project and see what cost analysis is going to be, as well as possibly getting in contact with someone who can come in and look at the layout of our school. So we are excited to celebrate them, as they've worked really hard on their presentation and they did a great job at the board meeting. A few things that are ongoing. We do still have that ROTA fundraiser that is going on for the Silver Snakes team. Also, if you want to send somebody to school to get a Bring It shirt, we do have Bring It shirt orders going out now. The Kentucky Night at the Museum trip, the registration deadline for this trip will be on Friday of this week. So parents, if you're interested, this is the 7th grade trip only. It will be in November. The registration is going to be on this Friday. So if you want to register for this trip and you have not done so already, it's going to be really important that you get your name in there before Friday. Also on this page of the Cougar Connection is a link to the Washington, D.C. trip registration page. So if you are an 8th grade student or parent and you want to sign up for Washington, D.C., please make sure that you register. And then on this page, we do have another trip that is ongoing. This is something we have not yet announced to 6th graders, but it is coming up. We're going to take our 6th grade team to Indianapolis this year if we have enough participation. So there'll be some more information coming out about that, hopefully this week, parents. And then if you haven't heard, the Simons Middle School Library is now able to create vinyl banners and posters. If you're interested in ordering something from the SMS library, you can call us at school at 606-845-9331 and speak to Amy Wagner, or you can email her at amy.wagner@fleming.kyschools.us. And those are really nice printed posters. We have a professional poster maker now, thanks to some of our Title I monies. And the students are also helping to create some of that new media that's coming out of our library. And last but certainly not least, we do have prayer at the pole on September the 27th. So that is this week. We will begin to pray at 7 a.m. provided that the weather does cooperate. If something happens and the weather is not very nice, we will move our event into the gym. But all parents, community members, students are encouraged to attend. And that is all that we have this week for Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.